Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to discuss how to resolve the error list index out of range. So this error appears when the elements in the list are lesser than the number of times we are iterating through the list. So let's understand this problem with an example. Suppose I have a list with elements A, B, C, D, and E. So we have 5 elements and I have indexed it with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I will start running and iterating through each element of this list with a number of iteration which is more than the number of elements in this list. So I will type for I in range, and since we have 5 elements, and let's give 6 as the number of iterations in the loop, and then let's do an print operation just to do the dry run to understand what's happening behind the loop. And I will just index with each number of the iteration, and I will print this list elements one by one, and let's see what result we get. So I'll execute it and I get, as expected, the list index out of range error. So what has happened, that it has printed A, B, C, D, and E, all the elements, but the number of loop was one more than the number of element, and the list elements were already exhausted. But the loop still asks that there is some more element in the list, but there was no such element with index 5. So now in order to resolve this issue, I will just replace the 6 with 5 because we have only 5 elements and it will iterate through range 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which exactly matches the number of index in this list. And let's execute it. I'll just comment it out and we'll just check it. And it ran successfully without any error. So there is a better way to do it. We can give this range parameter as length of this list, and this will be a dynamic parameter, and I will execute it this way and I get the same result but in a better way. And even better we can do is, like, I give it a number n and I just instantiate this n just before the loop, and this would be just fine to execute it. So I hope you liked the video. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll keep making such videos for you which will help you in day-to-day data science tasks. See you in the next video. Bye.